So basically we have started the core Java, and in the core Java some of the things also we have to know what is the bat file. So today we will cover the what is bat file and some basic examples of the bat file. So in our Microsoft Office or anything we know, we have to define anything with these extensions. Suppose text file, what is the text file? Which contains the txt at the end. Similarly, what is the bat file? Bat file which is ending with .bat. So basically this is the how can I understand the bat file. So the file which containing ending with the .bat file. So basically it's a self-executable file. So when we use the bat file, when some of the scenario or some of the situation more than 10 commands or more than the same operation to be executes. So rather than going one by one, we have to put in the bat file, and when click on this bat file, automatically it's a self-executable file, or from the command prompt also we have to run. We will see an example. So that is basically a bat file. A bat file is a script file in DOS, OS2 and Microsoft Windows. Is consist of a serial of the commands to be executed by command line interpreter, stored in a plain text file. So what I explained that I have to summarize as a definitions, and when the dot file runs, it is self-scripting files. So like dot command to internally, it should by the interpreter, it should be run that. So today we will see the how the bat files also some of the like example. So let us see. So I have explained you only the run command, run command. Basically run command is a rename command. Suppose we have to rename any file name, any folder name, or rename 10 20 file names in a folder, that we have to do very easily. So this how to create a bat file, how to do all that, we will see that. So let us consider I have in the practice. I have a practice in the practice session. So we have the many text file. A1.txt, B2.c the text file. So I want all the files should be renamed to .java file. How to do that? So first example, go to command from how to do that. CMD command, go to command, open with the name command prompt and then clear the screen, and then if I want to run the convert into the Java file, ren space star dot txt equal to star dot java. So see, so previously all the Java files converted into text file. So that becomes a command prompt also. But if we have the more statement, so that we have to bat file. So that we do very easily. So similar way, if we want to reverse, so now we have a Java file. I want to txt file, same ren space. Basically, ren means rename the file, rename any file name, folder name. Ren space star dot java dot txt. So now it's a txt. Same operation we can do with bat file. So we will define a bat file .bat file, and inside that what we did same operation we have to be able to do. So now text file we have to convert into Java file. How it will be run? So when we click on this, automatically internally it should be run the command from the command prompt and change the file, right? As we seen here, correct? So now so just now we see that how to change the name with using a command prompt or bat file. So self-executable file is like a plain text file. It should be directly giving the rule or protocol to Microsoft Office or Shell script. So it should be executable that. So many times in our coding also we have to use this bat file. So now going forward we will see that how to use the any folder, like so just now we have seen that. So how to change this all the name, right? So let us see, we will try. So now we have a Java file. We have to change in the text file. What is the rain space star? We have a Java. So star dot sorry is equal to enter. So now, so when we use anything in the double quote, it should be some more security. So when we try to use any command in the, so we will use in the double quote, that should be more secure. So that we understood that. Now let us, we will see that I will tell you folder name also we can change, right? So now we have in the conversion folder. So how to change that? So how to change that? So go to that location, cd dot enter cls clear. Now I have in practice. So rain command, rain space conversion, conversion space. I have to take to practice, practice. You see, it's changed, right? So just now we have discussed, if we use this folder name or the file name should be double quote, it should be more secure. So we will try that, rain space double colon practice, practice, practice space conversion, so it should be changed. But better practice we can use in a double colon, correct? Both should be in double colon. So I did, and I haven't used the for the conversion, but you should try with the same. So this is the things basically we use a simple command. I have to be show you how to use the bat file. So when we want to use this bat file, we can use the many files. So self-execute file, it should be save our time. I click on this, automatically it should be gone by the our DOS command. So Windows will go on that and it should be run. So when learning to Java, it should be many times helpful. Suppose sometimes we have to change the 10 file names, 20 file names. So by this command we will use that. So something kind of what we have to discuss, so that we use in the our day-to-day development or day-to-day leveling. So we know the theory as well as we have to learn the practical aspects also. Sometimes bat files should be used. So that's why I have explained today. So same things in the last, like if use the while working with the different files and folder name, we should be take attention the name with the space. A space is interrupted independently MS Office to make rain command operation using the safely we can surrounded files, and directory name, file name or file name should be double colon. So for the safely you have to use, so we have to use the double colon as I have shown you the today's sections. So today we understand the bat file. I understand is a very small video, but go through that and make sure you have to practice. This is not for the only freshers, and it should be for the experienced people too. So you can use this, and sometimes we have to using these things like so renaming the 10 files or 20 files. That kind of a practicality we need during the work. So I have captured this. Thank you. Hope have a nice day. Thank you.